Okay, when we started this job, I should have bought this heavy-duty DeWalt chop saw. But I thought, I'm not going to use it a lot. I'm going to get Bernard's Chinese version. Guess what? Second cut motor burns up. Back to the farm implement store to get what I should have, the heavy-duty DeWalt. Should have learned. But got another DeWalt tool, die cutoff wheel too, grinder. So good tools pay off. Yeah, there's the cutoff wheel. Another very good buy and useful tool. Doing this roll cage on Nascar Herbie. So it's making the job go faster. Busman54 with the boys working on Nascar Herbie. We're doing the roll cage. We're welding. Yes.
Guys. Good. Guys. Okay. Rotate back to where we had it. Which will lace some beads. Guys.
See, if Texas Viking was our neighbor, we'd be TIG welding. But we can lay dime still with the MIG and grind her up. So we did get the exhaust system going. We had an intake manifold that was loose, we had to tighten. So, depending on how late we go, if not tonight, maybe tomorrow, we can fire the motor up and show you. Definitely be able to show you things go well. The roll cage. So, Busman has to go to work now and do some grinding. You missed it. Busman was grinding. Look, got my grinding protective gear. Face shield. So the boys are gonna weld the two pieces together.
I'll go 80 gig, at least I'm holding on to the bar on both sides. Get some gloves. It's gonna get hot. Yes, because heat affects me.
Gloves, gloves. He needs gloves.
Where are you putting yours? Feeling your hands. The problem with getting hurt is the fact that the electricity flows through more than just your hands.
Weld, cut, bend, weld, cut, bend. Grind.
Ready? Watch your eyes.
All right. We'll bring you back later. Our roll cage is smoking. Must be part Indian. Let me see if I can zoom in. There it is.
It's blowing smoke.
It's blowing smoke.
until you get about there. Is that it?
So there's a roll cage.
About here. Again, worked on way too many hot things where I shouldn't have. Yeah, it'll hold. It'll hold up better than the roll cage on my bike. Wait.
We're cooking Volkswagens, baby. Look at that. I don't think, how's that? A 60 bus? Looks like a big hooch pipe with the smoke coming out of the top of it behind the bus. Here's the bus. And the pipe smoking. Alright, enough fun. We're gonna let it cool and keep going.
Making stack.
So there's the one cage. It's hot. It's warm.
Okay.
And then got the racing seats ready. So and the air conditioner is working fine tonight. It's really hot out, but the AC's almost got it to 70 degrees. Almost. Alrighty. I'm back. We're still welding. I think we're getting close to being done though. It is almost 10:30. Oh, I thought he was done. He tricked me. We'll be back.